How to add a guest in booking.com. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up booking.com application. Now at the bottom right corner, click on your profile. Now at the bottom part of your screen, simply tap on bookings. Now tap on the bookings. Now tap on your booking. Now scroll down. Now tap on manage booking. Now wait for some time. Again scroll down. Now tap on edit room details. Now click on update guest info. Now enter the guest name. Now once you're done, if you want to increase the number of guests, simply tap on the plus icon. After that, simply tap on continue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.